Welcome to Gavin's Home Kitchen. Today we're going to cook pasta and lentils, also known as Italian lentil soup. So let's get cooking. So I pop my cast iron pan on the heat. Going to put in some oil. We're just going to let this heat up. Give it a good lug. So once our oil's had a bit of a chance to heat up, I'm going to throw in some garlic. We're just going to fry this off for a few minutes, maybe 3 to 4. We want to flavour the oil in our pan. This is such a nice dish, full of flavour. So once we've given our garlic a few minutes to cook in that oil, we add in 400 grams of sweet baby tomatoes. I've just quartered these, and we're just going to give these a good stirring. How's that sizzle? We're just going to keep cooking these stirring for a few minutes, just till we start seeing the juice come out of these tomatoes. Just spread your tomatoes out evenly across the pan. We're just going to leave them for about 3 to 4 minutes. So our tomatoes are looking good. We're going to next go in with 1.5 cups of dried green lentils that I've rinsed. Put them all in there. Like so. We're just going to mix those in as well. We're just going to leave these for a few minutes, just stirring occasionally, just to get it all mixed in with the tomato and garlic. Once we've left this for a few minutes and our lentils are softened a little bit, it's time to take out our garlic pieces. So we just pull those out. Don't worry if you get a little bit of the sauce with it. You might have to go in and search for them. Don't worry about the little piece. Yep. That looks like we've got all of them. Now with the garlic, I'm going to crush this up later and actually add this back into the soup. Next we add enough water to cover the tomatoes and lentils by about 1 inch. Then we just stir it in again. And we're just going to allow this to come up to a boil. I'm just going to turn the heat up a little bit. And just occasionally give it a stir so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Like so. While I'm letting that come up to the boil, I'm just going to add some salt. And some cracked pepper. Just so this can cook in with the liquid. Just also make sure you give this a stir every now and again so your lentils and tomatoes don't stick to the bottom. Once we're at a gentle boil, turn the heat down low and cover for half an hour. So once we've had half an hour to simmer covered, next we're going to add in 250 grams of pasta. So I'm using tubetti for this. We'll just stir that in. We basically now just want to give this about 10 minutes until the pasta's al dente. And while our pasta is having 10 minutes to cook in our soup, if you haven't done so already, give us a like and subscribe. We're a new channel and we really appreciate the support. As we keep stirring this in, give it a stir every now and then just to make sure none of your pasta sticks to the bottom. But as you can see, it's starting to thicken up really nicely at the moment. Look at that. This is going to be delicious. Once our pasta's had 10 minutes to cook, just going to turn off the heat. Just give it a bit of a stir. I'm going to add back in my garlic from earlier. I'm going to add in some parsley as well. We're just going to stir this in. Oh, this looks sensational. Just stir that all in. Parsley's just there for a little bit of colour. Just have a look at that. That is delicious right there. I'm going to remove that from the heat now and plate up and give it a taste. Look at that, that's delicious. So then all we can do is just finish it with a bit of olive oil over the top. And I'm going to grate a little bit of cheese over it as well. The cheese is optional, you don't have to add that. And there you have it. The only thing left to do now is give this a taste. So let's get in there. Look at that. That is delicious. That olive oil and cheese really finishes it off. Tastes so good. This has been another Gavin's Home Kitchen recipe. Hope you've enjoyed this video of pasta and lentils, also known as Italian lentil soup. If you did, give us a like and subscribe. Costs absolutely nothing, but it helps our channel grow. And we'll see you in the next recipe.